Hello everyone, how to do it. Back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to create your account on Notion Notestars application. So first of all you need to open your app, then tap on the app open button. Then you can see here the interface. So there are a lot of ways to create your account. Continue with Google, Apple, Microsoft. So this time I'm just going to create your Google. Like, make sure that your Google account is add on your Gmail app. Then you can just one tap you can create your account. So I already tapped my account. Just wait a second to get the interface. Log in with Google. It's really easy. So if you're a businessman, this app is for you, and I'll show you step by step how to use this app. So follow my channel. So getting set up, you need to set up first, like what do you want to Notion. So for work, personal life, for school, I just tap randomly what do you want to use Notion on my own. Select as many as you want. So I'm just select randomly something and then tap the next button. Getting ready. Okay, allow. So tap next button, next button, next button. Get started. So that's it.